ISC West, alarm.com, Brian Lohse. Tell us a little bit about this sunflower innovation with the drone system.
Yeah, we're really excited about it. Basically, this is a guard replacement alternative, and it ties in really well with our remote video monitoring console, so that you have a situation where the sensors around the property are what trigger the drone to go investigate an issue. So it's really part of the broader platform, because you might have a camera somewhere that's detecting a person from an analytics, or a Flex IO that's being tripped by a gate, or anything around the perimeter of the property, and then it will trigger the drone to go investigate. And all of it can be managed from inside the alarm.com app. So live view, and you can set it to do guard tour as well.
Okay. And this is a home here in Las Vegas, right?
Yeah, this is right down the street, so you can go actually see it. So if somebody were to come trip this gate, you would see the drone go up and investigate.
So is the drone going up here in the booth?
Oh yeah. It's really exciting. We're excited about it.
Awesome, man. Thank you so much.
Thank you.